Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of TikTok account documentation for businesses looking to make the most out of this popular social media platform. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that TikTok has become a powerful marketing tool for businesses of all sizes? With over 1 billion active users, it's no wonder that companies are flocking to this platform to reach their target audience. But here's the catch. To truly capitalize on TikTok's potential, you need to document your account. Why? Well, documentation is crucial for understanding your account's performance, identifying areas for improvement, and ultimately, increasing your profits. By keeping track of your account's growth, engagement, and other key metrics, you can make data-driven decisions that will help you achieve your business goals. So, if you're a business owner looking to make the most out of TikTok, remember to document your account. This simple step can make a world of difference in your marketing efforts and help you unlock the full potential of this dynamic platform. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.